In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gift cards on Shopify, ensuring you're all set for the Q4 holiday season rush. This process is straightforward and will help enhance your store's flexibility and attractiveness to customers looking for convenient gifting options. Let's jump right in. First, after logging into your Shopify admin, you'll want to direct your attention to the left panel of your dashboard. Here, you're going to find a list of key areas within your store's backend. Look for the section labeled Products. Once you've located it, go ahead and give it a click. This is where we'll begin our journey towards setting up those enticing gift cards. After you're in the Products section, your next step is to select Gift Cards. This option might be tucked away among other product categories, but don't worry, it's there. Clicking on Gift Cards will bring you to the specific settings and options dedicated to creating and managing your store's digital gift cards. Now, you'll want to select the Create Gift Card option. It's time to get creative. Think of this as the blank canvas for your gift card setup. When you're in this area, your focus will be on entering the essential details that will define what the gift card is and how it will appeal to your customers. Next, you'll want to enter the gift card code. This is a unique identifier for each gift card, so be sure to choose a code that resonates well with your brand or is easy for customers to remember. Along with the code, you'll also enter its initial value. This is crucial because it determines how much the customer can spend with this particular gift card. Be strategic about the amounts you offer, ensuring they align with common price points in your store. As you set the value, you can also choose to add an expiration date. This is an optional, yet often useful, step to manage the usage time frame of the gift cards. Expiration dates can encourage timely usage and help in strategizing sales cycles. Consider your business needs and decide whether setting a limited period is beneficial. Once all your desired fields are filled out and you're satisfied with the settings in place, go ahead and click Save. This final step commits all the details you've inputted into Shopify's system, making the gift card ready for customer purchase. Congratulations! You've just set up a functional gift card ready to enhance your selling strategy this upcoming holiday season. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can offer your customers a practical and versatile purchase option, encouraging shopping flexibility and potentially boosting your holiday sales. Now you're ready to implement your new Shopify gift cards effectively, helping you capture more sales and delight customers. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck upgrading your Shopify store.